Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Desma Bloom, where we create beautiful things. So today we are making lunch as I tell you a story. This is what we got for lunch. These are nyanya, kitunguu, sahumu, tangawizi. This is what we're going to prepare for lunch. We have skuma and these ones will be for dinner. So let's get started. This isn't just lunch, it's a story that started far from the kitchen. Today, as the fish hit the pan, I'll tell you how the river chose my meal, and maybe even more. They say a good meal starts long before it hits the pan. Mine began at the river this morning. The air was so cool, the water whispering secrets as I watched the silverfish dance below the surface. An old fisherman told me, "Choose the one that looks you in the eye. That's the one meant for your table." I laughed until it happened. One fish paused right there in the current, almost daring me, and just like that, we were connected. Now, as the oil sizzles and the aroma fills my kitchen, I can't help but think, food isn't just food. It's a memory, a story, a conversation between you and the world. And today, the river spoke and I listened. And lunch, well, lunch is going to be unforgettable. And just like that, lunch is ready, straight from the river to my plate. If you enjoyed this little story and my kitchen vibes, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comment what's your favorite way to cook fish. Until next time, stay full, stay happy, and stay curious. Bye.